Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today, we're on location, Redding, California, and we are going to be showing you how to make a USDA Prime. They had them on sale at Costco, $12.99 a pound for USDA Prime ribeye, boneless, tomahawk, 3-inch thick, maximum awesome steaks, which is a great deal and great awesomeness.
They're going to be pretty amazing.
They're going to be amazing. We're going to be doing it on a gas grill today. We're going to talk about the benefits of a reverse sear, and we're going to show you how easy it is to prepare an awesome restaurant quality steak from Costco.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're going to show my mother what a good steak tastes like when it's not
It's going to be
overcooked.
it's going to be epic. All right, babe, are you ready?
Good. Let's
All right,
do it.
let's cook. All right, and here we go. So much for the most unenthusiastic intro ever. But I wanted to talk to you guys. Let me tell you what we did. We unpackaged them, got the steaks out, took some kosher salt, sprinkled it on all sides, let those steaks go in the refrigerator on a wire rack uncovered for 24 hours. Let that salt penetrate into the meat, get that moisture out, tenderize the meat, pat it dry, get all that moisture off. Then fresh ground black pepper, some garlic salt, let that go in and bring them up to temperature on the sink, and we're ready to roll. Get that on the barbecue. Let's salt, pepper, garlic. Check that out. Killer. I'm gonna keep the burner, or maybe two burners on the right side on, and then I'm gonna shut off the burners on the left, and I'm gonna do a reverse sear. This is gonna be indirect. We're gonna bring these steaks up to 120 degrees. I'm gonna be monitoring the internal temperature the entire time. And the benefit to the reverse sear is obviously you're gonna have a much more tender piece of meat. You're gonna get even cooking. It's just gonna be excellent, especially USDA Prime, real thick, nice. Meat's gonna have time to really prepare itself. Plus we have a nice view, pool, really nice day. We brought our little thermometer here. So come in close. We have one on the gas grill so we can kind of monitor the temperature of the gas grill. And then as you can see, I took the probe and I put it inside the biggest tomahawk. I put it right in the center of it. So you can see right now the internal temperature of the steak is 42 degrees and our grill is running at about 210. And that's on the indirect side. Let's get them on the grill. Okay, so we have two burners on low underneath our vegetable tray here, and then we have nothing on over here. I put the bigger one closer to the fire, this one right here. We're monitoring the internal of this one. We're monitoring our grill temp right here, and we're doing all this on a gas grill, no smoke this time. And then Babe did a compound butter on the corn. What did you put in the butter, Babe?
I did chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, pepper, and I think that was it.
All right, the steaks just hit 75 internal. Coming right along. So I'm going to just flip these. Move this over like this. Looking great. So the steaks just hit 120. Babe refuses to be on camera again. So now Babe's the camera person. Normally, I'm
Yeah,
the camera.
babe, we're switching it up. Anything barbecue, I'm gonna be the new camera girl.
All right, babe, come in close. So right now, these are at 120. You can see. I mean, the smell, literally salt, pepper, garlic. The smell is amazing right now. Okay, so I'm gonna pull these off. I'm gonna let them rest for a minute. Just put them aside, and then I'm gonna get this barbecue so hot that we're gonna see if we can't light the whole house on fire. And then we're gonna sear them, and probably like 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. We're gonna use Babe's compound butter that she made with all of her funkiness in it. And then it's gonna melt in, rest, set. Ooh, medium rare. I'm gonna cut it from the bone. It's gonna be just USDA Prime. Come. Oh, do you wanna talk about those steaks?
Roasty toasty.
Do you wanna hold them up and feel the beef?
It's Father's Day. Let me feel the beef.
Yeah, there you go, babe. All right, we gotta sear these now.
Okay.
Yeah. Holy moly, that is incredible. All right, you guys, let's temp these. Let's see if they need more sear or whatnot. So we're at 127. So that's 131 right there. 125, 131. Let's check. This one has parts that are All right, I think we're about good.
Okay, so now we're going, oh yeah, that's fun.
And what do you think, babe, while they're resting?
I think it's gonna be delicious because I just licked my finger and it was fantastic. And now we have a whiskey and think about it.
What I'm going to try and do right now is I'm just going to bring this away from the bone. And of course we're going to cut against the grain, but I want to get the bone off because I want to see what temperature we are at. I mean, get in close, babe. Of the juices just flowing. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Come on.
Wow.
Come on.
Wow. Oh my gosh, babe, it's perfect. The steaks were delicious. The homemade mac and cheese was delicious. The salad was delicious. The corn was fantastic. Mimi did a great job. And this is the aftermath, and we don't have to clean any of it because my mother insists she does it all.
I cleared the table
That was nice of
like
you.
a good little boy.
Good job, babe. Happy
Yeah.
Father's Day.
Yeah, like and
To
subscribe.
you and my dad.
Like and subscribe.
And to all of you other fathers out there.
Yeah. And now babe needs a night-night.
Hey, babe.
Good night.
Good night.